Boys, are the cupcakes yummy? Huh? Are they yummy, Josh? Hold it up on the table. Let's see it. Oh, boy. What do you think? I see it. I see that cupcake. Caleb's almost eaten his all gone. Look at him. He's just devoured that thing.
Is that for that thing?
Caleb, is it yummy? Is it yummy?
If I were you, gonna get me.
Your spider web's gonna get you?
No.
You silly.
If I were Mom, if I were something right here.
Are you making a mess? Yummy.